If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your gaming experience. This guide will help you resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check Xbox Live status. Visit the official Xbox Live status page to see if there are any outages or maintenance activities affecting matchmaking services. If there are issues reported, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your Xbox Series X completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Unplug the power cable for a minute, then plug it back in and turn on the console. This can help reverse the system and resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Test network connection. Go to Settings, General Network Settings and select Test Network Connection. This will check if your console is properly connected to the internet. If there are issues, follow the prompts to troubleshoot your network. Step 4. Clear alternate MAC address. Navigate to Settings, General Network Settings, Advanced Settings. Select alternate MAC address and choose Clear. This can help resolve network-related issues that may be affecting matchmaking. Step 5. Reset network hardware. If the problem persists, reset your router or modem. Unplug the device for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait for it to fully restart and reconnect your Xbox Series X to the network. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your Xbox Series X and resolve Matchmaking Error 2026. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance. Happy gaming!